That's what I thought you said. Now let me offer this as a rebuttal.
Alright guys, let's jump right on into it. So I'm using the Clinique 72-Hour Moisture Surge. I like to moisturize my face first before I put on my foundation. Now I'm going to use the CoverGirl Queen Collection All Day Flawless Foundation. I put this all over my face. And then I like to go under my eyes with the Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. I like to highlight with this. I love this stuff. Obviously, it's a little bit too light for me. And then, as you'll see here, I don't normally put it around my entire mouth, but I guess I just wanted to be extra for the video. Don't worry, guys. We'll fix it. We'll fix it. Now I'm going to go back over it again with my foundation, put some more life color back into my face. And then I like to go over all of it with my BarePro powder foundation. Put some more color back into my face here. We're just gonna go over the entire face with that. Help it blend in some more. And then on top of that, the powder is giving it more of a matte finish as well. Get some of that shiny out. And now I'm gonna go in with my Ardell brow defining kit. I don't know where I got this kit from. I just remember it was inexpensive and it was for eyebrows, but obviously I'm using it to contour my face. And then here's one of my secret makeup hacks here. I'm taking a red lipstick and I'm going to apply it to my cheeks. But hey, I like this. It works really great for blush and it stays on all day. And then I just blend those both together like so. Just to try to make sure I get blended as good as possible. Because we're going for a natural, simple look here. And now I'm just going to take my big brush and blend, blend, blend. And now we're going to take the LA Girl Strobe Lite highlighting powder in 50 watt. And then I try to contour my nose a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer. I can't even say it right now. But again, I'm going for a natural look, guys. So instead of filling in my eyebrows traditionally, I wanted to just put this brow gel on top of it just to make it darker and keep it natural looking. But I absolutely love this because It stays on all day. And now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. Do not come for me about how I put my eyeliner on, okay? I have tiny little eyes, but this is how I've always put my eyeliner on. It works for me, okay? But I'm just going to get myself a little bit of wings here, kind of exaggerate my eye shape. And then I'm going to go under with the LA Girl Pro Setting Powder in Banana. I really need to get my hands on the Laura Mercier because I like this powder, but if you don't blend it in good enough, you'll have horrible flashback. And it's kind of ashy looking now that I'm like kind of watching this from the other side. So I'll do another tutorial with the Laura Mercier soon. So we're going to go in with the big brush, and again, we're just going to blend it all together. Blend, blend. All right, ladies, now this is the final look. Tell me what you think. I'm trying to go as simple as possible. I put my lashes on later. But yes, simple, natural, makeup, no makeup look. Thanks for watching, guys.